Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for Roblox. So let me just show you guys how it works, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So I'm just going to go ahead and join a game just so you guys can see that it actually works. So it's super cool, guys. So let's just wait for this game to load here just so you guys can see that I do have the Delta Executor. So as you can see, we got all the settings there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, we have all the modded features, so it's super crazy. So if you guys want to have Delta Executor without jailbreak, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So as you can see, we have all the settings here. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So as you can see, we've got all the options, so it's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website, which is called scriptsking.com. So let me just go ahead and go over to this website. So once you're here, guys, you will be able to download the Delta Executor onto your device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So once you're on it, guys, we're just going to go ahead and press browse all scripts and we should be able to do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the Delta Executor, obviously, because that's the one I want. So I'm going to go ahead and press on it, and then it's going to ask me for my Roblox username. So you just want to go ahead and put that in. So let me just go ahead and enter it right here, as you can see. So after you enter your username, guys, just go ahead and press the button that says continue. And at this point, it's going to make sure you're a real Roblox player. And then we're going to press yes, connect. So now that we have successfully synced up, I'm going to import the Delta Executor, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and press the button that says continue. So the last thing we need to do is the verification. This is where we're going to download 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's completely for free, guys, from official app store, and then we should have the Delta Executor on our device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says API connecting. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So now it says API connected, so I'm going to press verify now. It's going to bring me to this list of apps, and I just have to download 2 of these apps. They're all completely free, guys, from official app store, so you just want to make sure you download 2 of them. So I'm going to do Evertail, so it's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back to the list. So for the other one, I'm going to do Tokyo Debunker. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm just going to go to the home screen and wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Evertail's already done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, you know, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So it's pretty simple, you know. It's very fun games in my opinion, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this for a little bit more here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, guys. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right, so I'm just running this right here. Super simple, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. So we're pretty much done with this one, guys. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Tokyo Debunker. So let me just run this one for a little bit more here, as you can see. All right, and now I'm going to do the other one, which is the Tokyo Debunker. Same thing, guys, just got to play through it, as you can see. Just doing some basic interactions, so let me just go ahead and do that right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just running it. So, yeah, it's super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this, as you can see. All right, so let's just go ahead and run this. All right, so I'm just going to do that. So it's super cool, guys. So I'm just going to run this right here. So let me just do that for a little bit more. As you can see, just like playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty easy, you know, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that, as you can see. All right. So yeah, super simple, guys. So I'm just going to do this. So now you should have the Delta Executor on your device. So be sure to try this out, guys. It's super cool. Hope you enjoyed the video, but yeah, try it out for yourself because this is super crazy. And it works on iOS and Android, so if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you in another one, but yeah, if this video works, you can install Delta Executor fully working for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got all the settings here, so it's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this fully works, guys. So as you can see, I got all the settings, so this is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this fully works. and it's super cool. So if this video works, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you later.